If you want to use a memory card on POCO X8 Pro, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot use it directly with the phone. That is, you cannot really, for example, insert the microSD card into the SIM tray, simply because there is no slot which we can use for the microSD card. Therefore, if you really want to use the microSD card, if you wish to have access to the storage of a microSD card, then in that case we need to use an additional accessory. So we can find a memory card reader with the microSD card slot with the USB-C cable, so we can connect it to our phone, and then we can access the storage. And yes, of course, the accessory is very inconvenient to use on a daily basis, and that is not really the point to have this thing connected to your phone all the time. What you can do instead is you can just simply use this tool whenever you need to access the microSD card storage. For example, in order to access some files, to transfer some files from your phone to the microSD card, or the other way around. And only in those situations, of course, this seems to be the most suitable use of that accessory, but that is unfortunately the only way to use the memory card, or any memory card in fact, with POCO X8 Pro. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.